Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through a simple yet sublime recipe that's all the rage, the ultimate avocado toast. This dish combines creamy avocados, crunchy toast, and a hint of spice for a meal that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack. Let's get started with this crowd pleaser. For the avocado toast, take 2 ripe avocados, 4 slices of whole grain bread, 1 clove garlic, optional for rubbing on toast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, red pepper flakes, optional for a spicy kick. For toppings, 1 radish, thinly sliced, microgreens or fresh basil, squeeze of lemon juice. You can also add a poached or fried egg for extra protein. For equipment, you will need a toaster or grill, knife and cutting board, bowl for mashing avocados, fork or potato masher, and a spoon or spatula. Start by toasting your bread slices to the desired crispiness, either in a toaster or on a grill pan for that extra crunch. While the bread is toasting, halve the avocados, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocado using a fork or potato masher until you achieve a creamy yet slightly chunky texture. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Drizzle in the olive oil and give it another quick mix. For a citrusy zest, squeeze in some lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Rub the hot toast with a clove of garlic for a subtle aromatic kick. Spread the mashed avocado evenly on each slice of toasted bread. Top with thin slices of radish and a sprinkle of microgreens or fresh basil for a refreshing crunch and flavor. If you want a bit more protein, add a perfectly poached or fried egg on top to make this a more substantial meal. Another great addition is a sprinkle of feta or goat cheese for a creamy contrast. Serve immediately to enjoy the ultimate texture and freshness. The creamy avocado, combined with the crisp toast and toppings, creates a delightful combination of flavors. This avocado toast is not just a trendy dish, but a healthy, customizable option that fits into any meal of the day. You can experiment with toppings and find your favorite combination. Enjoy crafting your masterpiece.